Okay, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and program ROM 0 for my MST-80. So we've got the basic programs here. It's got data statements that represent all the bytes in the ROM. I can hit run, it will start programming. If I come back over here and try to get rid of the glare, you can see the red LED down there flashing as each byte is written. Come back over to the computer screen. And what you're seeing here is address in hex, colon, data in hex, and then the done when it detects that we're done. So let me try to get my face out of this so it'll I have trouble getting it to maintain focus and not totally wash out. So as you can see, this takes a bit to run. Remove the glare from the screen again. Get back here and take a look at the whole setup. So there is the RCT 2014 over to the right, the rightmost card in it, actually over to the left, the the RC 2014 is to the left. The rightmost card in it is the interface card. It's got a 74 LSL4 on it that inverts 3 signals that need to be inverted for the S100 card you see there. So, say it's tripsing along, it's up to address, it's into the A's. So, as you can see, it's not fast. It wasn't meant to be fast. Well, I don't know why that has to lighten up like that. It's irritating. So, we're in the B's. Getting close to done. As long as I keep the camera from seeing my face, it doesn't go into that washout mode. We're into the F's. This code is optimized, so if there's a 00, it doesn't program that byte. It doesn't need to because the part erase is there. And there we are. We're done. We can see that the board's no longer flashing, and the next step, of course, is to verify that the ROM actually programmed. Okay, I've got the part we just programmed in the system here, the programmer to read it back. The first, let me scroll up here in the listing so I can get back the first set of bytes. So you can see here that that single bit is intermittent, again flashing. That's the programmer. The first 4 bytes we should see will be a 31F007AF. We're looking at the up here. You saw it blinking, 31. F0, what did I say? 07. Come on. It's just being stubborn. And AF, step 89ABC. Did I read that wrong? Or 89A. And you can see it blinking there. Yep, so I'm pretty happy with that. We've got ROM 1 programmed. I'll need to go through and look at all 256 bytes, but from a preliminary look, that looks really good. So now on to ROM 2.